So if you've ever wondered what supplements are actually worth it, especially for women, I am breaking down what these do and why I use them. Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Elizabeth. I'm an online fitness coach. I help women build strong, confident bodies through smart training, balanced nutrition, and sustainable habits. And today we're doing something fun, a fitness essentials unboxing. Now, before we jump in, I always want to say this. Supplements are not magic, and they're definitely not required for results. The foundations will always be training consistently, eating enough protein, sleeping well, staying hydrated, but certain supplements can absolutely support your performance, recovery, and energy, especially if you're balancing life, work, family, and your workouts. Open up this box and walk you through what I personally use and why. Today we're doing a little fitness haul and unboxing of some of my favorite supplements that help me stay energized, strong, and consistent in my workouts. If you ever wondered which supplements are actually worth it, especially for women, I'm breaking down what these do and why I use them. First up is our essential amino acids, or also known as EAA. These are great for muscle recovery and hydration, especially if you're training hard or doing fasted workouts. Here's what they help with: supporting muscle repair, reducing muscle soreness, helping maintain muscle when you're in a calorie deficit, improving workout hydration. I personally like to sip on these during my workouts because they help keep my energy up and make sure my muscles are getting the amino acids they need while I am training. They're also great if you struggle to drink enough water because the flavor of these makes it easier to stay hydrated. Next up is L-Carnitine. This is a supplement that helps support the body's ability to use fat as fuel during exercise. It's not a fat-burning miracle pill, but when combined with proper nutrition and training, it can support energy production, fat metabolism, endurance during workouts. A lot of women I work with like using L-Carnitine before workouts, especially during fat loss phases when energy levels might be a little lower. For me, it's just another tool that helps support my performance. Now let's talk about something that is honestly one of the biggest struggles for women I coach: getting enough protein. These protein meat sticks are one of my favorite easy snacks. Why? Well, because they're high in protein, convenient, great for busy days, perfect for post-workout or on the go. I always tell my clients, if you keep easy protein options around, hitting your nutrition goals becomes so much easier. These are great to keep in your gym bag, car, or desk at work. In the protein category, I always like to include this one. It tastes great. Also, it is only 90 calories and 22 grams of protein. So again, if you're looking for something that tastes good, I definitely recommend First Form's Clear protein. Now, this one is one of my favorite and honestly one of the most researched supplements in fitness: creatine. And I know a lot of women get nervous about creatine, but the truth is it's incredibly beneficial. Creatine helps with increasing strength, improving workout performance, supporting muscle recovery, helping build lean muscle. And the cool thing is creatine also has some research supporting brain health and cognitive performance, which is amazing. I usually take about 3 to 5 grams daily, and consistency is what really matters with this one. If your goal is getting stronger and building muscle definition, creatine can be incredibly helpful. Next, we have CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. CLA is a fatty acid supplement that's often used to help support body composition and fat metabolism. Some of the potential benefits include supporting fat metabolism, helping maintain lean muscle, supporting overall metabolic health. Again, supplements like this work best when you already have your basics in place. Think of them as supporting tools and not shortcuts. Just to give you an example of how I use these on a daily basis, I usually do my workouts first thing in the morning. because by the end of the day, I'm so tired that I do not want to go to the gym. With my pre-workout, I do add my L-Carnitine. I'll do that really quickly before finishing making my Amino drink and creatine. With my first meal of the day, I do my supplements. Included in those supplements are going to be that CLA, and I do take CLA 3 times a day so I can split them up. Those are big pills. And then on those days where I am busy and I'm on the go, I do need to meet my protein goal for the day. I'll grab one of those meat protein sticks, or I'll do a clear protein drink, depending on if I feel like a savory snack or if I'm having more of a sweet tooth. Then that would depend on what I gravitate to, but those are always my go-to. These are going to be your support tools, not replacement for whole foods. Whole foods are always going to be my #1 recommendation, but when used correctly, they can make staying consistent a lot easier. If you're curious about any of these products, I've linked everything down in the description box for you, so you can check them out for yourself. I am always going to recommend choosing high quality supplements from reputable brands, and the ones that I have shared with you today are the ones I personally trust and use on a daily basis. And like always, if you've enjoyed this video and want to see more content like supplement breakdowns, workout routines, nutrition tips for women, and real life fitness advice, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments what supplements you are currently using. Or if you want me to make a video on supplements for women over 30, I'll be happy to do that next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!